Hi viewers, now I am showing write a C++ program to illustrate the sequence point. So here I have to show how to sequence point. So here this is a very important program. That means sequence point means the square and cube of the uh, particular value. So here I have to write a little bit program that's very important, very easy to understand everyone. So here the program is here. So and this is the program. So now here we have to write it. So first we have to explain the step by step. So now here this is the header file, that is the hash include iostream.h, that means input output stream.h. so in the every C++ program you must write the scene and cout statements and printf and scanf statement. So in this program we have to write the cout statement, so we have to use the iostream.h. so otherwise the C++ compiler doesn't take the cout statements. So now here we have to use the stdio.h. so we have to give the printf statements. So now we have to use the cout, we have to give the iostream.h. now here this is the main function. So the main function is here or int main or void main. So here in this int number square cube. So here this is the sequence, that means we have to take the number, that is cube and square and cube. So now here the number is 5, so we have default to give the number, that means 5. So now we have to sequence equal to number into number, that is square equal to number into number, the cube equal to number into number into number. So watch here, this is the calculate the square and cube of the number, that means the square equal to number into number comma cube equal to number into number into number. So now see here the square of number is square and the cube of cube and the cube is cube, so return 0. So here this is the program, and this is very important, very easy to understand everyone. I think you have to understand that. So this time I have to compile this program and write the program and compile, and I show the output. So many people have write the program in Notepad but they don't see the output. So I have typed the program in my Turbo C++ ID and I have to show how to do it. So here first we have to search for the Turbo C++. So in this DC drive, so now here this is the TC. So in that we have to go to bin. So in that we have to find the TC. The TC is there. Now double click here. So now we have to ignore. So now I have to close this. So here this is the Turbo C++ IDE. So watch here, in that we have to see that this is the Turbo C++ IDE. So in the Turbo C the mouse doesn't work. So in the Turbo C++ the mouse has been worked at here. So now here we have to use this mouse. We have to open a new file. Now click file. Now click new. The file new file has been opened now. So now here type the program. That means so hash include iostream.h. now main, now int num comma square comma cube. So we have to take the three integer values, that is the num and square and cube. Now num equal to 5 and square, so the number has given default. Now we have to find the square. The square equal to num into num comma cube equal to num into num. So now we have to close this. Now cout. The square of num is square and the cube is cube. So now I have to close this. Now return 0. Now close the program. So here we have successfully tagged the program in my Turbo C++ IDE. So this time we have to compile this program. So in the C and C++ we have to compile the program in the IDE. So we have press Alt plus F9. We have to compile that. Now press Alt plus F9. So here, oh my god, the warnings is 2 and errors is 1. So what's the warning? That is the cube. Was that undefined symbol cube? Oh my god, we have an error. That was we have to write a cube. So we have also we change the cube. Now press Alt plus F9. So was that the warnings is 0 and errors is 0. So now this time we have to execute this program. Now press Ctrl plus F9. So was that the program will execute but the output has not seen because you do not give the getch method, so the output has not seen. So here we have to see the output. So now press Alt plus F5. So was that the square is 5 is 25 and the cube is 125. So here this is the way to find the sequence point of the given program. So thanks for watching my video. Thank you.